This is a 6.5 ounce, 1 inch to 1 foot, total fucking replica of the DR1. 6.5 ounces. You can even see it.
Yep.
Really? Should I bring it down lower?
No, you're good. Notice any difference charging? Woo! Off that other,
Jackie.
off the other charger.
Not really. Want me to bring it in at you?
No, that's cool. Just go about your business. I got it on. I can zoom up on it. Nice flyby. Pretty amazing for such a light little plane.
6.5 ounces. It's a 1 inch to 1 scale out of one of the airplane books.
All
It's
styrofoam.
all 3mm Depron. I vacuum form my machine guns, wheels, cowling.
Woo! Yeah. That's nice. Woo! Nice landing.